guys and welcome back to Crypto Hasi channel. For today's video, we're going to talk about another project named We Digital. But before that, let me remind you that this is not a financial advice. This is for entertainment and review purposes only. So always do your own research before doing anything else. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright guys, so this is the We Digital. Welcome to We Digital Decentralized Web3 DeFi EVM Engine in BNB Smart Chain, Ethereum Virtual Machine, and BEP20 network. So We Digital is not just a platform, it's a global financial ecosystem built 100% on the blockchain. We was born with a clear purpose to democratize access to DeFi with the maximum security, transparency, and automation. The foundation of our technology is DeFi and how do we use smart contracts. The traditional financial market relies on banks, managers, and middlemen. It has a 100% automation, zero human intervention, and mathematical precision. Once market conditions are met, the contract executes actions such as paying out your profit in the exact same second. So how does we digital profit in the real market? That's a big question. We own a 50 million liquidity pool operating with the giant pancake swap exchange. We make our trading pairs, USDT and BNB, available to global and public. The magic of the swap, whenever a trader anywhere in the world make a swap using our liquidity, the network generates a transaction fee and your profit has fee range from 2% to 4% operation. This is the real capital that funds the daily yields of our ecosystem. And the best part, you can verify all this live on the blockchain. The gateway, We Gateway, the liquidity portal, when you purchase a package from We Digital, your money doesn't go into director's bank account. It's received by our first official smart contract, We Gateway. The financial engine, the pool, the high caliber liquidity, this is the heart of our protocol. Whenever the magic of the market happens, your capital joins our global ecosystem to provide liquidity, pancake swap traders. Wealth distribution, we flow, the yield algorithm. The fees must 2% to 4% generated in the pool are collected and managed by WeFlow, our smart distribution contract. So WeFlow is programmed to remove only the exact and necessary liquidity to execute the payment of your daily ROI, referral bonuses, and network rewards. It never pays out more than the system has generated. The pancake swap between a WeDigital and pancake swap in dual engine protocol has a 3% to 5% profit. So the tax income transaction fee whenever swap USDT versus BTCB. We deposit $50 million in liquidity pool between We Digital and Pancake Swap in dual engine protocol. So the liquidity pool has a 50 million AMM DEX and benefits with the market stability, efficient trading, and ecosystem growth. Instant swap of 50 million traders of and swappers, 50 million guys of between liquidity pool. The two gateway liquidity pools has a 50 million and $2 million part. Now, all bonuses will release from the profit bonuses on profit bonus pool and Pancake Swap pool on company funds and members funds going to Pancake Swap pool. So that's the WeFlow, guys. Your security first, decentralization is freedom. When investing in the We Digital protocols, your money is not under human custody. It goes directly to the smart contract being recorded, validated, and distributed automatically. Verifiability and immutability. This is the power of Web3. No one can touch your money and no one can turn off the system as long as the blockchain exists. They also have affiliate program, the We Digital DeFi condition. 110%, 300% cap, smart contract, and ROI of 3.21%. Minimum deposit from 50 and a withdrawal of 0.1%. Daily bonus will reflected from the next day. All reflected bonus will be go to your own wallet immediately. So Web3 DeFi, We Digital highlight, zero transaction fees, no need to press withdrawal button. All related bonuses will go through my own wallet. So the ROI has a 3.1 or 3.21% daily bonus from We Contract 1 to We Contract 8 with the same daily bonus of 3.21%, entry from 50 to 10,000 and max cap to 110% to 300% from Monday to Sunday. So WeTicket, the algorithm releases only 200 WeTickets per day for the entire network. So the We Digital official members or non-members, early bird will get $0.5 per day but only limit 200 tickets. So early bird bonus is $0.5 from Monday to Sunday. This is the referral indirect bonus. So 13% from level 1 to 12 level. Referral bonus to 7% up to 0.2%. And the unlock rule is self-invest up to $50 and self-invest to 2,500. It's direct referral bonus include indirect referral, guys. They also have the We Leader Royal rank matching bonus, We Leader 1, up to level 7 of volume 20,000 USDT, We Leader 2, 50, 3, and 150,000, and the last one is We Leader 4 of 500,000 with a bonus of 21%. Royal rank matching bonus will effective continue when you get rank up to 28 level. So the We Digital or connection to the future of money. The liquidity pool is already active. The yield is growing with each new swap. With the WeFlow algorithm is monitoring. You can connect to your future. So I think that's all about this We Digital, guys. We move together. That's the uh slogan of this We Digital, guys. So again, this is Crypto Sane. If you like this video, comment down below and share it to your friends. Again, bye bye.